What is erosion?
Erosion is the natural process where rock, soil, and other materials are worn away and moved from one location to another. This is caused by forces like wind, water, and ice. Unlike weathering, which just breaks down materials, erosion actually transports them. Over time, erosion can reshape entire landscapes, creating dramatic features and forming the planet's surface.
The force of water.
Rivers, rain, and ocean waves are powerful agents of water erosion. Fast-moving rivers carve deep valleys and canyons, like the Grand Canyon. Raindrops can loosen soil, while ocean waves gradually erode cliffs and beaches. Water picks up and carries particles from one place to another, constantly reshaping landforms through new deposits and removal of material.
How wind sculpts the land.
Wind erosion is especially important in dry, open areas like deserts and plains. Wind lifts and carries small particles of sand and dust, slowly grinding away rocks and creating unique landforms like sand dunes and rock pillars. Over thousands of years, wind can dramatically change entire landscapes using just tiny grains of material.
The power of ice and glaciers.
Massive glaciers are another powerful sculptor. As glaciers move slowly downhill, they scrape and grind the land beneath them. Glacial erosion carves out U-shaped valleys and leaves behind features like fjords, moraines, and large boulders called erratics. Even after the glaciers melt, their impact on the land remains visible for millions of years.
Erosion shapes our world.
Erosion is a continuous, natural process that helps create mountains, valleys, coastlines, and other landscapes. While sometimes destructive, it's also responsible for forming the dramatic scenery we see around the world. Understanding erosion helps us appreciate Earth's changing surface and recognize the delicate balance between nature's forces.